Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to upload a PDF document in Google Bard or Gemini. So make sure to watch the video till the end so you won't miss any of these steps. So first, choose your PDF. For this example, I'm going to use this PDF file. The title is An Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. Now, what you're going to do here to upload a PDF on Google Bard or Gemini, basically, you just have to copy the link of this PDF. Right click and then click on copy. Now go to Gemini. So as you can see right here, Google actually rebrands Bard as Gemini. So we're going to use Gemini. And then go here on the message box at the bottom, enter a prompt here, and we're going to type, give me the summary of this PDF. Once done here, going to right click and then click on paste as, select plain text. Once done, click on the submit icon. So from here, as you can see, so the board is actually uploading the results. So you have to wait for a few seconds. And once done, as you can see here, this is the result. So this is an article about artificial intelligence. It discusses what artificial intelligence is and how it is different from human intelligence. Okay, so as you can see here, you can add some details on this PDF. So let's say, what are the keywords of this PDF? Again, enter on your keyboard. And then we have to wait for a few seconds. And as you can see right here, here are the keywords of this PDF: artificial intelligence, machine learning, neural networks, deep learning, and robotics, and so on and so forth. And also here, you can ask the Bard or Gemini, for example, what is the main purpose or goal of this PDF? Again, tap enter on your keyboard, and we just need to wait for a few seconds again here. And there you go. So as you can see, the main purpose of this PDF is to provide an overview of artificial intelligence. So it discusses what artificial intelligence is and give example of how it is used. So that's it. That's how you basically upload a PDF document in Google Bard or Gemini. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.